Hey guys, Aaron Dunn with Bass Truck Center. I got a brand new Ford E350 with a 16-foot Morgan aluminum body on it. This truck's got a 7.3 liter V8 gas engine, 6-speed automatic transmission, 12,500 pound GVWR rating. Dual rear wheels. You got an aluminum walk ramp, slides in and out. You've got translucent roofing, sliding bulkhead door. Inside the cab, you got easy to clean vinyl bucket seats with armrests, rubber flooring, power windows and power locks, power mirrors. You've got cruise control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth hands-free calling, driver information center, traction control, lane departure warning, air conditioning, upfitter switches, AM/FM stereo, rear vision backup camera. This box truck has everything you need to get the job done. Call or text Aaron Dunn at Bass Truck Center at 440-666-6253. Thanks, I look forward to hearing from you.